Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to view your Citizens Bank account and routing number in 2025. Whether you're setting up direct deposits, making payments, or just double-checking your details, knowing where to find this info is a game changer. Let's jump right in. This will be quick and easy, so you can get back to your day in no time. First things first, the most straightforward way is through the Citizens Bank mobile app. If you haven't already, download it from your app store and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab. That's usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you need, and voila! Your account number should be right there, often displayed under the account name. For the routing number, scroll down or check the Details section. It's typically listed alongside other key info like your balance. If you prefer using a computer, fire up your web browser and go to the Citizens Bank website. Log in to your online banking portal. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts Overview page. Click on the specific account, and you'll find your account number prominently displayed. The routing number might be in the same spot or under a Routing and Transit section. Pro tip: if you're ever unsure, use the search bar on the site to type routing number. It could pull up a help article. Another option is checking your physical checks or bank statements. If you have a checkbook, flip to a blank check. The routing number is the 9-digit code at the bottom left, and your account number follows right after it. If you receive paper statements, look for the same details on the top or in the account summary. Remember, always keep your banking info secure. Never share it via email or untrusted sites. If you run into any issues, Citizens Bank's customer support is just a call away, available 24/7 in 2025. There you have it, folks. You've now got the lowdown on viewing your Citizens Bank details. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.